Guys, I'm back. I just started playing with the color of the white and the gray. And I went ahead and I just started reapplying over my sky just to give it a little bit more of a brightness to it. Now remember when I said that we can cover some things up? Well, this is how you start covering them up, okay? Like there was that branch over here I simply did not like because it kind of took everything over. And as I looked at it, I started liking the branch, but not the other one. This is how I make it disappear. Go ahead and take your color. Just go right over that area. It's okay if you have to go back through and fix your tree or alter it. It doesn't matter because it's all doable. Just go right through here and it's gone. It's okay to hide something up if you don't want it or you don't like it. Then with my sky, I just started applying dirty water, which is just once again the black and white water still, and adding it into my white. And then I just started spreading it through at an angle just because I thought it looked kind of cool. Doesn't have to look like what we may see outside. It just doesn't. It's okay to have fun with it. And then when you come into a branch, you don't want to mess it up. Just make a wider move there and just spread it through. Pretty cool. There you go. Just come right through here. And then just apply it to what you need it to be. Make it work your way. And when I say make it work your way, it's not like you can't, because you can. You can do it. If you don't like that color, change it. It's okay. If you want something a little darker, add more black. Go right into it and just add that color right in there. Just make it pop, okay? There we go. Now I'm going to start changing the brushes back to this way. Pretty much the same technique that we originally did, but I'm going to leave it where it's kind of a little odd. Now I'm not going to worry about these lines. If you want, you can. I will change out my brush to a smaller one. That's what I want to fix or change. Like this is too white. Let's add some of the gray through here. Remember, we wiped out that branch we didn't like. All right, so let's just stop. All right. Now, next thing is what we're going to do is we're going to let this dry because I have a surprise with this black and white one. So, with that said, I'm going to take a little break, go get some water on my throat, and I'll be right back. See you soon. Hey guys, hello. I am back. We're going to try two things, and I have a feeling I might change it out again. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick up some black. Now, I went and got this kind of little round brush, little round. And the reason why is because I want little dots. Something like that, okay? Little dots. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pick up my black. I just want to test something out. So in order to test it out, I'm just going to pick, you know what, I'm just going to do it right here. Let's just do it and see if I even like it. Sometimes, and I'm going to add white to the tip, bring in my white. You know, it could work. So let's just do a little more of a detail right through here and check it out. Remember what I said, if you don't like something, change it. It's okay, whatever makes you happy, just go with it. Now, can you see that? I kind of think it looks a wee bit boring. Don't know why, but I just don't like it this morning. So, my black and white series is suddenly going to go ahead and turn into a black and white painting with red. So we're going to pick up some red. I'm just going to go, you know what, let's just go with what we have. Normally I would get like Q-tips or something, so we'll go a whole heck of a lot faster. But the Q-tips are in my daughter's room, and she's still resting, so I don't want to disturb her. I do believe it's Sunday, so we're just going to let her rest all she wants. And just apply some of this. Bring it off the stick, bring it way out. It doesn't have to be right where people think it's supposed to be on a stick. Because there's little steps we don't see. Now I'm going to go ahead and come back and pick up the white before this is dry. I'm just going to add some white through here. Now normally I put in a little bit more detail in with this, but I'm just going to see what happens, okay? Let's come right, whoops, that was way too much white. Just then come right through here. Turn these into a little pink flowers. You can be more creative with more details to it. Feel free. It's your painting. Have a blast. And I think I'm just going to go right ahead and just bring it out. Samson agrees. Okay. So. You pick up some more darker red and just apply some of that. I will pick up the white. Go ahead and just add a few brilliant white spots here. This can just indicate your flowers. Now there is another way if you want it. We can totally change this whole thing from where we're going. And I just might do that. So, whoops. I got my little brush here. Because I really don't want to spend forever on this. But I just see something else coming out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my red. Yep, I knew it. Alright. Let's see. I can make it or break it. Let's see what happens. Either way, we can fix it. Perfect. I love that. Let's go ahead and pick up some white. Put the white down here. Just going to add a little white here now. Not a lot just yet. We'll figure out where we want stuff to go in a minute. Alright, I think that's how I want to go with this. Yep, that's how I want to go with it. I'm going to pick up my red. I'm just going to go through here. Now, if I would have done this with the black, you guys, I would have liked it a lot better instead of the little flowers I was going for. But I think I really just like the red trees. But then we should have known that. On the red. So why not? We can do it both ways. It's okay to change things out. There's no law saying we cannot. We can just have some fun with it, right? Aloha, but you came to say hi. Finally. Alright, guys. So, what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some of this right through this section. I'm just dabbing these colors now. Like I said, this would have worked out quite well with just the black and white too, doing it this way. But sometimes you just change things. Yeah, I like that. Whoops. Love these kind of brushes. Go right ahead, go right through here. Bring some through here. Now remember why I said don't worry about the details. Well, look at here. We're hiding some of them. So we put in all those amazing details, we would have lost them. I mean, we just would have lost all of it almost. So it's okay not to add the details perfectly at first. Actually, there's no perfect. It's just the way you do it. You make it fun for you and other people. Those that like it will follow. Those that don't, I understand and respect it. But I think people should just be more creative and not worry about what I used to try to do. Make it perfect so everybody likes it. Because you know what? There's no one way. Everybody's not the same. People are all different. And I respect that. So I'm just going to do it my way. And if somebody else likes what I'm doing, fantastic. And if they don't, well, I can still like what they're doing, right? They don't have to like it. It's okay. We're just going to keep on going down the line here. Keep having some fun. Add some color right through here. Add some right through there. Maybe on all three of those. Pick up the red. Just add some right through there. Let me just pick up this red. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and just bring it off the page. There we go. There we go. Remember we got this little wee one down here? Let's just give it a little bit too. Why not? Why not? Just a little there. And we don't have to hide all of it. So I am not trying to whisper. My voice is actually going. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up some more of this red. Just going to add an imaginary branch right through here. Connect it with that one there. And we're going to add a white. Give it some white. Pick up some pure white here. A little bit. There we go. So this is our red tree, folks. I hope you like our little red tree. We're going to add some more white right through here. I hope you like this little tutorial. And remember, just have fun with what you're doing. Don't worry about everybody else in the world. There's too much going on right now to keep track anyways. And stay safe. Remember social distancing. Remember to always wear your mask. Have hand sanitizer in your car. So when you get in, you can take care of just in case you had to touch yourself in cold. And stay safe, you guys. If you like what I'm showing you, feel free to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay, I understand. Just like the video if you like it. You guys, you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay safe. Enjoy your walk. And be happy. Try to anyways. I know it's hard these days with everything that's going on. So I'm just going to add a few more little pieces of white right through here. And I hope you like this. As always, you guys, thank you for joining me today. And be blessed.